Hello, my name is Libby. This is our cat Pablo that you see in the video right now. He loves water. Most cats hate water. Not him. He's literally sticking his head inside of our humidifier, which has about a gallon of water inside of it right now. This is how much he loves water. Okay, so right now, he's in my mom and dad's room, and instead of just moisture, now they get cat hair and moisture. Huh.
Paws are soaking wet. Oh my gosh, there's water all over the floor. Stop being wet over here. Gosh, his paws are drenched.
But right now, he is literally just playing in the water, and I know we will not have a hard time giving him a bath anytime soon, considering that he will literally stick his head under the water. In 3, 2, 1.
Pablo.
Oh, it looks like he's bored with this. Oh, no, he's definitely not bored of it. That's it for now. Bye. Tune in next week for Pablo attacks our feet.